You are missing out on Apple Watch features.
I am?
Here are 5 tech-tastic features you must know.
Welcome back, tech heads.
Kevin and Blake here. Alright Blake, let's get started.
Awesome. I can't wait for the 5th feature. It's my favorite. And I really hope you guys like it too.
Find My Flash. If you're anything like Blake, you misplace your phone every 30 seconds or so. Luckily, your Apple Watch is there to save the day, but in more ways than you think. If you pull up from the main screen of your watch, you'll get access to your tools panel. You should see this icon right here of an iPhone ringing. If you tap on this, your iPhone will ping a noise, helping you use your ears to locate your device.
Okay, yeah, cool. That's awesome. But what if you're hard of hearing, or what if you lose it in the dark and you just can't find it anywhere?
Check this out. Instead of just tapping on the icon, tap and hold the icon for a second or two. Not only will your iPhone ping a noise for you, but the flash of your camera will also blink, helping give more visual clues of where your phone is. Secret Agent Camera. Blake's dream has always been to be a spy, so taking sneaky photos can help catch all sorts of bad guys. When you click on the crown of your watch, it'll bring you to all your apps. Move around and look for the camera app right here. Tap on it and your watch will now act as a viewfinder for your iPhone's camera, which you can now set up and use to spy on, take sneaky photos, and catch the person stealing your snacks. Bedside Buddy. The main purpose of any watch is to tell time, but don't let that function just live on your wrist alone. Go into your watch app on your phone, tap on General, scroll down to Nightstand Mode, and toggle it on. From now on, when you charge your Apple Watch at night, it will become a new bedside clock, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Blake, wake up!
I'm awake.
Open Sesame. The amount of times I've seen Blake mess up his passcode on his Mac is countless. But there's a way to solve his headaches and yours. First, set up a passcode on your Apple Watch. Go into Settings, scroll down to Passcode, and set a 4-digit code. Next, grab your MacBook. Click on the Apple icon right here. Open System Preferences. From here, click on Security and Privacy. Then go ahead and click on your Apple Watch right here. From now on, your Mac will unlock when it's awoken and your watch is unlocked and near.
Holy moly, like this feature is incredible. Like it saves me so much time unlocking my MacBook.
Don't forget the last feature.
Oh yeah, my favorite.
Ultimate Face ID hack. Wearing a face mask these days is Face ID's worst enemy. Luckily, Apple has a solution, and that solution is your Apple Watch. But in order to fully understand how this works and how to set it up, check out this tech-tastic video right here.